Welcome back to the biggest show in the continent right now, MS Live, right here on MS24 TV with yours truly, Mac Moten. And I have my next guest in the studio all the way from Kumasi, and it's a brother man. I'm a Kumasi boy, you guys know already. And I have my brother J Bud in the building.
Yeah, man.
J Bud, Bibi Abokodi.
Bibi
Radio Fie ni Fie. Charlie. And then the Nkomoni Ebiti. Yeah, the Kumasi vibe, and back, right? Yeah, the best studio I say. Okay. From Ashtown to Croft Room, just say, Charlie, what say, baby? What make you proud? And I just say, yeah, now what I say. But before that, me per se, you delve deep into our catalog. Meaning, say, the return of a Confanoche, and then we debut album now.
Yeah.
We drop it.
Yeah.
Ube timia kabibi kakrafa home. What was the concept behind that project?
Charlie, you
have more big money to make sure.
Because $1 trillion, $1 million come by.
And you share Charlie. Okay, Charlie, or take a course where the good plan at the mountain.
Talking about my catalog, Charlie, my boy,
yeah.
I have my catalog, Charlie.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah,
true.
So, we turn off a Confanoche. Shout out to Everlasting Gang. Shout out to Asaka fans, Kumurika, and Ghana as a whole. Enemy fans, they supported the album.
Okay.
Yeah, and make waves outside Ghana, Ghana. So,
okay.
Now I didn't see.
Okay. Now I didn't see that title of Confanoche because Confanoche there, in history, say Confanoche will be a somber mass and mindful. And I didn't know the return of a Confanoche. I didn't know that title.
So the Confanoche will be a somber mass and mind. Now here, like modern way, they must be a somber year.
Yeah, true.
A year open so few.
Yeah, true. And correct.
Open conformation of Mena Santa Maria Media and Shukun.
Okay.
Next, Makwab and also Mesama Madofo. Enemy to my move, never mind for say, Miana Masaba.
Okay. TM friend also, recently, last year, now we interview B, and our car say, TGMA, or more disrespectful, like when you new artists, but almost put you so you new artists, Obuanjo so. Now when you pleased with it at all, when you enjoy cry, ain't me kind of say, so moba. No, because J Bad. They say you're who a Juma or boy, who more than a boy. You perceive nominate to be a man. Send your kind, say all more disrespect. So, I'm be no person nominate for another category. Ober Peninsula and answer on Peninsula.
One fact is my doors are always open.
Okay.
And the only say I stand for the truth. Say, oh, but not be my media, okay. I don't know anything. She won't say I would do. I have found my corner. Say, oh. You don't deserve it.
Yeah,
but they will deserve it. Come be an error.
Okay.
Yeah. So if they are coming in as say, I'm okay with it.
Oh, you're okay with it.
But say some of my stories.
Yeah, fine. Yeah. Last week, unya Bako Bahasi. Yaw Tog.
Okay.
Or Bahasi, and a chain come over brave. And more car say, and you know, sorry, reminiscing. Initially, not a yaw.
Yeah.
And oh, Kenneth. No person yam so.
Yeah.
But your man, the uncle true. And the coffee, a quisiata, and storms didn't take initially like Osaka no storms wo, and O Kenneth and I was a one year so. But I was say, Moon who did any grudges. He says, I'm back and I'm obeying you, my be put Kumasi on the map. Yeah, Kumasi drill music and Asaka, Jenano, the standard for no. We open say on Yaw Tog by your Juma.
Oh, you're born pie.
Pie. Yeah.
Who knows?
I like the positivity.
Yeah.
I like the positivity. Sorry. Meaning say last year, we biggest show Kumasi. Free the youth.
It wasn't last year.
It wasn't last 2 years. Sorry, last 2 years. So your biggest show.
The
youth concert. Out here for free. Yeah. There in Tinema, we our show purposely for a fan base.
Me free Kumasi.
Yeah.
Me free my shots down. And my music career and Kumasi are holding me down a lot coming up, and they have inspired me so many ways. From who that be, and growing up, I realized a lot of talent, Kumasi, but support ain't enough.
Okay.
So me be J Bad now right now, and you know me service kakraba me so I meet my I saw more from us, and now say me be like as Thanksgiving, and I say like way of me creating opportunities for the upcoming artists and talents, not just artists, musicians and quite like your dancers.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so it was a way of giving back to the streets.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. J Bad messa about so. We dey also me timi de order na won so ye den. Ebam. Me nwa ba ma bibia abokọ de.
Okay, share that remember.
Oh, ye den nyame ase, ye den nyame ase. Minim se wona ye organizer for or say krum ache. Share na ta so me hu bibia. Minim say like one of the big artists here who krum has say.
Sure.
J Bad and Kwaku Smoke. Two big artists. Then the influencer with decision now who decide they say we better bring these two superstars together to host this show.
Alright, so wow, she said all kind J Bad and Kwaku Smoke. You heard Juma Mumi no.
Pacho beti mi do one ben kakra mai.
We share Juma Mumi no ya. They deserve to be on that show because drill music Kumasi basically ultimate but nipa to ambo J Bad din.
Yeah, no correct.
Then the second person likely so be Kwaku Smoke consider Edin. That's why me blend it with me.
Okay, okay.
Sure.
Okay. Show no more you know Ratri Park.
Yeah.
Okay, me pacho rate you saying.
70 cities, that's for the standard.
Okay.
And your VIP 200 cities.
Okay.
VVIP 400 cities.
Okay. Nice one. Ain't apart from Kwaku Smoke ni J Bad, is there going to be any special guest here being more that very day?
Yeah, we have other artists passing through for us. We have Kwaku DMC,
Okay.
Holy Reina, Alaye Gang, Salt Music, Super Sandy, and I have a couple of DJs. Yes, I invite you. Yeah, DJ Sonati, Wireless DJ K Brown. I'm a Dawson.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big concert.
Okay. J Bad.
Yeah.
31st. Me patcho say 31st.
Yeah, this Friday.
This Friday, 31st. J Bad. Send ya won ye name because we the demon level on the bed and every stage in the show.
Oh yeah, right.
By enya or MS your studio the exclusive. There now person will catch or fans no. Or more show. We are here for nine na there now will catch them.
Yeah man, you done the everlasting girl. Omo ya read that here dumb. On the 31st so the demon that shows. So I wouldn't say demon.
Yeah.
Really. Omo ya ready me to me.
And you come ready.
Home besa. It's your money ready. I want home besa. Yeah.
Okay. To rate in the 70 200 CDs. Okay, very very nice. Or the no mess about hono. J Bad, minim say one is akode won yom.
Yeah.
Hate.
Yeah.
Nice song. Obi ani ho.
Yeah.
This year, o san no ne wunua bema Kwaku DMC, Hustler's Dream, and no yes akode anyum so ye den. If you charm. My relationship na ne sa akode te sen.
Man, no man.
And I start ben I'm connected for Hustler's Dream no.
Man, no man. It was a Hustler's Dream no. It was somewhere around last year.
Okay.
Yeah, Neo UK. It was a medical show no. O2.
Okay.
So after O2 now you are around so yeah, Neo Obede LNK because Obede is like a family to us because the manager and any management no. And we will be on the agro from Ukraine. So link up on here like harder than hot as
Yeah, true.
So near available UK and I link up with him from there near co studio with Emoji.
Okay. Okay. But who say about J Bad? I want a lot of artists are here Juma pa. And you mean people creating yamba out.
Yeah.
Work ethics net to saying like we create like a creative process to saying how recording your fight to say because you mean say won't try on your no. Because you know boot in so nah. Then I motivate you.
I take myself in the streets.
Okay.
Especially by a castle. Maybe I'm in anytime I bear microphone be announced reflect each movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tiano na inspire. Okay.
As my phone you won't be bringing.
Yeah.
I have a lot to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I say many times be good stuff about City Boy.
Yeah. That's my big bro.
Okay, City Boy, what can I say industry way more than a father figure mawana?
Oh yeah, I can say like that. Because or you'll be put me on.
Okay.
Everyone say baby I'm a call yeah. We come meet you Kenneth Money. He was the one who call.
Okay.
So he's a father to me.
Okay.
And we mean you happen and you as a because we like it doesn't what I say. Yeah, he deserve it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about biggest song or commercial success on them.
Condemn.
Biggest Condemn,
yeah.
sorry. Condemn. But how like who canon?
Condemn, yeah.
Yeah, Condemn. Or biggest song.
Yeah.
A boy no ma ofili say a put pressure also say o pese o nyoma e bigger than Condemn.
Menya sure. Because life, you know, to me, Shadan can say, oh, yeah, and you're bigger than BB, and I say,
okay,
a vibe, it comes by itself. You can't force it. Yeah.
Okay. So naturally, say a baby saba be me beba.
Yeah.
And ya idea why we there all force on saying
yeah.
Okay. Meaning say the return of a comfort noche 2.
Yeah.
And no next release out here. Answer I bet discuss on next single no. Let's talk about that one too. The internet amount it decided to be a second installment for that project.
The main reason was like first one man can't there was a mechanic. Man can't even read. And I was like,
Diana one cow.
Oh, you say me brace. You tell two that one say.
Okay.
Me preach a lot.
Okay.
I know first one in. What I say. So I left room for improvement. And I just adding to one. This was the right time this year. And I'm just the academic.
The account. Okay. Yeah, talking about when you title the same. I pray my for. I didn't know pray my for.
Because me play money.
Pray my need. Kumasi need the pray my need the Charlie.
Yes, can be young.
You need pray my need. Yeah. Good year now was anka all the chrom, but
I should have here to feel. Remember these boys now. Eat them more. Demons no one will be at home.
Okay. So what inspired that song? Pray my for.
Baby Kumasi. So all the so free
Kumasi.
Kumasi will be a play money.
Yeah, near the crack.
Can you cry no way play money?
Now I want somebody I want to say pray money pan.
We are here for our nigga we here street. Kumasi will be no edge. Kumasi for any at too much. Yeah, life no. Yeah, shot will be a share.
Yeah, near the crack.
Kumasi ni obeti ni yo koma koto.
Oh, yeah, near the crack. Charlie.
The answer is fly as it.
Yeah.
Bibi answer but go okay because what is appearance in
there matter most
what you say so
the
shape bottom need the aquarium there found you let me cry I could free bo business but you make sure that
you be look clean draping it there here okay meaning say September mo mo bra pen sakwa there rapaholic obey first one was Royal Amet that was 12 years ago and who say I was so sad about the Eba Kumasi because Sac native fans need been sure Kumasi so he has to give back to the society obey a big show baby like it was a big show
successful
and finally J Bad also here there hop on stage and so here there performing a show support to Sakwa there meaning say why free the youth concert 2 years ago and I saw what the answer be way. Send a mammo feel it because mostly on say then also the show here then. Because they crew match and so the air ba. They be I can say Kumasi and said that big show Kumasi. But as I say that's finally I feel everywhere you put my coin master shows and course of camera. Then I out found.
Like my so excited. So far said I can Kumasi big shows in one now. Somebody like Sakode or any status now or back Kumasi back to was Asante, Saturday Asante. So back to Asante, man, we know be something huge like this for the people. Very like massive, and I don't know how to put it.
Very big, huge.
Very huge.
Yeah. And history in the making. Yeah, for real. But at the back, I say, how man for Kakrani say that very day, they show toy pa.
Yeah.
But as a Kumasi and said any big venue, be a it's just all back, cultural center say, and we will be like Udimu. Okasa, a question. Then our culture government on our people in the creative space about that new man customer.
Bro, Kumasi here BB's are fucking say like say big theater business for shows. So who will be as an investor? I swear the sky we can own team.
They're true.
Kumasi was a lot of lands. True. But and then I make the interview was I shall say make us the youth. I organize the youth. Sign marketing. Kumasi like can you whole lot of things.
Yeah, true.
What you say? But yes, can be praise you. The best of more some look at
support.
Yeah, almost support because Kumasi the way they are Kumasi.
If or then when so then I walk found because you event organizer. And to show that you're actually pack. And now Kumasi Sports Stadium now be now.
Yeah.
Then I will Jennifer home because you're an event organizer.
So then I mean you're penny. You invest.
When you are penny in the moon.
You did better 90 years.
So then you get it. You hear investors no more one you BB sir. You nya mu use na musumunya musika so back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I can say.
That's what you can say about
sure.
it. Okay. Into preparation ben na mo ya fa show no. They say show na ben.
Yeah.
So how are you guys preparing for it?
Well, sure, you go so ye media to nintina.
Okay.
If you come as be do aka say ni nyina ka na. God willing Thursday. Any be will come here guest artist no.
Okay.
Any we be able for chrome here then kakra. Then the main event in a Friday.
Okay.
But we want to have a different vibe in Kumasi.
Okay.
So here program now. I'm having the project with brand for Jazz Music UK.
Okay.
So we want to have a party in the park session.
Okay.
We say chrome tea. And you Kumasi vibe say a big program. I just me train 10, 11. Asana Jebad beba.
Okay.
Roughly by 3-4. Ya set ye BBI then upper ye jam and then we need more of our investors so around because project a very huge project.
Okay.
We share and to full go so MC near year and yeah any paba akuna for ye BBI yeah na you take it in so they about out. We release only 500 copies of the physical ones. They can online tea. Who follow your pages now, your security and everything is intact.
Okay. Yeah. It's security, no, so a saying because all program be say security is very necessary, very essential.
Yeah, we share yati se gusia, you hear more fans now in India. Bit me see what grounds and ya blended the task force, the military, then the police personnel. Sanko 4-3 near blended one more for safety.
Okay. Very nice. Sure. But J-Bad, in the near future, expect to be a joint project with Kwaku Smoke and
Oh yeah, possible. Kwaku Smoke came in.
True.
Yeah, man, know a whole lot of stories. So, and you probably more expect street there.
Street, yeah, and a crack. Okay. And like last 2 years now, we made in concert,
you know. Yeah. The youth concert.
But last year went to me.
Yeah.
Was there any challenges be out facing until I went to me the last year?
I would say now, we are marshal. I said the whole on, but some next year.
Next year, okay. To this year, so yeah.
This year, because shows need too much.
Too much,
shows need too much. Shows need too much. I was remember her. Made the more mindful for us.
So okay.
We are must have a company album next year.
Okay. But then I want to say me busa one thing.
Okay.
Men can say show and Kaya no say chrome there. What's the purpose in Tia about all the way to Accra who promote the show no?
Oh, for example, as you said, we will say chrome ni. And all numbers. I about show you see himself fan be Jebara ba Mr. Jerry Musho so then at least Munim say Moamudim.
Yeah, then correct.
And but your platform is also a very huge platform. Banyan so in positive vibe being free hall. Okay. So when you say Kumasi focus on only our Kumasi people for Ghana and country as a whole.
Oh yeah, for real. Like serious partnership, MS 24, we are always open.
Sure.
So like opportunities like this to always support the entertainment fraternity.
Yeah.
And to say we are always glad and our doors are open to support.
Sure.
Anyhow be able to media supporting Mubiano. Okay, I support him. Okay. So J-Ba say what dropping new song, what dropping project in any brave. They say Diana expect it from you.
Very soon. Early next month, I drop another EP.
Another EP. Yeah. Okay. No title the same.
Almost forgot.
I had the international title. We exclusive or MS Live.
Yeah. Because I knew be a Maya 3 years ago.
Wow.
Like, made the drop it.
Just say na time and then I right sell bed dropping you now and saying.
I don't think I don't say you should be away for until me for that. And you will say budget. Okay. Yes, be at the cherry, but energy. It be a mood that home right now.
Okay, that's very cool. By Japan, person beside the back could be. Me a short say we artist, we a creative person.
Yeah.
What to say artist for SL catalog, catalog.
Yeah.
To you as an artist, to you as a creative person, then now you found artists are almost selling catalog in your massa.
It be depending on the reason why you are selling your catalog.
Okay.
It will be any reason. It will be any do film.
Okay.
If I will sell here, so.
Okay. To be to me enlighten, you be to me actually reason here. ebia to you no didn't na oton eye didn't na one ton affect you.
Okay, so what ton I mean we say like now a business minded I wait my double risk and
okay,
so many ways.
Okay,
Wait my investing in a whole lot.
Okay,
yeah, and the one ton also at the end of the day or catalog and I will leverage.
Okay,
because the label will be no baby we will sell catalog first.
Okay,
so instead of no discount come across he want to see say oh or past records numbers say na make it say na make it into catalog it represents you a lot.
Okay,
this auto na bia oni nyum bia on catalog bia bia onyum ndoso they bia ko ton catalog nya na bia scan so ansa nya na
yeah one profit from
scan
na
what has the scan money scan to me through some minute
and it's true
but so just scan on the other year they also go bet my scan now as they invest to another project
true
you want your big sons and yeah
okay
yeah but so
okay
o just scan they actually say bia ko toka bi near ya be flex near you dey scan the code because o catalog and represent when actually so what boy adwuma
and then correct so J-Bad minim say say na me kan no one Ghanaian artist be braye adwuma outside Ghana artists be na no my adwuma and artists be na dream say on be adwuma
me need the game my adwuma
the game
yeah.
LA the game okay now style be na mo connect here because the game here big and I'm as a man for bebre intro light say we need the game my adwuma
oh so I Ghana there if you come answer the stars
it's style be na the game connect here
shout out to one of my bros Joe Young who OG or Germany on a connect him.
Okay.
Only linking me through feature on the hala many.
Okay.
The game
yeah. Project. Okay. So then let's get back to you.
Okay.
31st. Then I will catch right now you dey Accra.
Sure.
So Charlie, what do you have to tell your the people watching you? What do you have to tell them about Osei Kromache? Expectation. They are no more expected that very day event send you be any BBR.
Okay. The mechanic say so when you take it first and the most important thing.
Okay.
You take it because you're the heat never Kumasi. Everything is set now.
Okay.
Your artists, everyone is booked. Baby or mobile don't be preaching be or and you started process no God willing Wednesday and you start your boy stage.
Okay.
Production be able start Wednesday. To make sure so you take it now.
Okay.
But one announcement smoke so be near born no be losing 31st. That's Friday. 2 person will see you more you have to be there.
Okay.
You get it.
Okay.
Now I'm soon the demon
time or be come
DMC so that so
okay.
I'm be say Kofi Jama fully booked down
okay. And a patch rate no
70 city then the package I can 70 cities on a big house to Trillium Industrial Company Limited.
Okay.
To take it 70 cities now. Or rice a bottle of Rush energy drink.
Okay.
Because of energy consumption, Rush energy drink I can when you VIP or more person or mobile tree baby no. How baby come at that time. So you're just 200 cities. Then VVIP if you want to be close to the stage. Some of your guests to be a invite someone. That one is 400 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
That's a VVIP.
Okay. Me pacho sa venue sa kacho.
Yeah, Kumasi Ratri Park, opposite Lancaster Hotel.
Okay.
When you do Kumasi, I'll bush my Ratri Park.
Okay.
And I say baby, I'll see Kromache koso.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one word, how is the show going to be like? One word.
A word for that. I don't know which adjective be able to use to cry. Massive.
Okay.
Yeah, I can use
massive. Okay. J-Bad, offense and so share. Last words to fans. Again, almost expected from you.
Yeah, man, everlasting gang. More when you hear bro. On the 31st, and you can say, come on, someone when you say, "Kasa from it will be a 20 tickets. No share demo on the 31st. A man and mema. You have a GN. You have entertaining more than some Russell. Say demo. What one's after me back? Me back into Mushia and
nice. And you come on.
Yeah, and I'm about someone who will see. Be a and pest stories be away. It will be a bar. Will be unlimited in Sassamones Island mountains. No be be active. No be umbrella because someone drive saving us.
Yeah, for Dombo.
Never journey. Straight up.
Yeah, no crack. Demon, where the man say tattoo be down. I say, I don't obana.
Oh, the Minraba.
Okay. Nice one. So that's my brother Odeneho and J Bad, one of the finest artists we have in the country right now. On the 31st October 2025, all road leads to Kumasi for Osei Kromache for J Bad and Kweku Smoke. It's going to be fire. It's the Clash of the Titans. So, guys, get your tickets, 70 Ghana cedis and 200 Ghana cedis. Come, let's enjoy authentic African music, drill music. There's going to be a lot of artists who are going to come through to give us a massive performance. The likes of Kweku DMC, as I said, J Bad is going to be there, Kweku Smoke is going to be there, Kofi Jama is going to be there. So, guys, come in your numbers. Let's have fun. Let's party very, very hard because the roof is definitely going to be on fire. Guys, I go by the name Mac Moten. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, hashtag MS Live. Catch you same time, same place. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out.